Reinforcement learning in artificial intelligence. Discover the power of reinforcement learning in the field of artificial intelligence and its impact on problem-solving and decision-making algorithms. What is reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is a branch of machine learning that allows an agent to learn optimal actions by trial and error, guided by a reward system. Key concepts. Agent. The entity learning through reinforcement and interacting with the environment. Environment. The surrounding in which the agent operates and receives feedback for its actions. Policy. A strategy that determines the agent's actions based on its observations. Reward. A scalar value that measures the desirability of an agent's action in a given state. Types of reinforcement learning. Model-based. Agents learn an internal model of the environment to predict future states and rewards. Model-free. Agents directly learn a policy without building an explicit model of the environment. Value-based. Agents learn to estimate the value of states or state action pairs. Applications of reinforcement learning. Robotics. Teaching robots to perform complex tasks and navigate autonomously. Autonomous vehicles. Enabling self-driving cars to make real-time decisions and navigate safely. Gaming. Creating intelligent game agents that learn and adapt to player behavior. Energy management. Optimizing energy consumption in smart grids to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Challenges and limitations. Exploration versus exploitation. Finding a balance between exploring new actions and exploiting known strategies. Curse of dimensionality. The exponential increase in computational complexity as the problem space grows. Sparse rewards. When the reward signal is infrequent or ambiguous, making learning more difficult. Recent advances. Deep reinforcement learning. Combining deep neural networks with reinforcement learning algorithms for improved performance. Hierarchical reinforcement learning. Learning multi-level policies to solve complex tasks efficiently. Conclusion and future prospects. Reinforcement learning has emerged as a powerful technique for solving complex problems, with promising applications in various domains. As research progresses, we can expect reinforcement learning to continue pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.